Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug, I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke. I know this is like a different look for me. Y'all haven't seen me like this, like, basically
ever. But
I decided to get a little bit fancy for this video. Today I'm just going to talk about the Unice hair after the initial install. So stay tuned for this video. Before in the unboxing, if you haven't watched the unboxing, go watch it. But before, I did say that there wasn't any shedding, but now that it's actually in my head, there is some shedding. Like, I comb through it and some hair comes out. It's not like a lot, but I don't know if you guys can see that. This is like a strand that came out. It's like a couple strands. It's not extreme though. The hair is really soft and the bundles are thick. Like, I only had to use 2 bundles and I bought 3, so I have 20 and 18 in my hair right now with leave out. Like I said, in my last video, like I said, go watch it if you haven't watched it. But I did get this for $97. Originally it was $104, which isn't bad because when I see it compared to some of like Instagram hair shops, they be trying to charge like $235, $260, almost $300 for this length of hair. It does go down. Let me try to show y'all. It goes down to here, which is basically my belly button. And then with my back, when I'm sitting down, it goes all the way down my back. But when I'm standing up, it doesn't go all the way down my butt or anything like that. So, I got the box again real quick just so I can actually show y'all the wefts again. So, like I said, I used 2 bundles, so I do have 1 full bundle left over. And with this bundle, I'll probably do like a ponytail later or something like that. But like I said, these are the wefts. And with double weft, it got me all the way like to the top of my head just about. And then we did single wefts up towards the leave out part. These are the wefts. I'm glad the hair matches because it's not a 1B, which is the color of my hair. It's just like a natural color, so it's kind of dark brown. So this hair is, I like it. Now I've only had it for a day, so I wouldn't really be able to tell y'all all the deets and stuff. So this would just be like an initial install like review, and then I'll come back later in January to tell you guys how the hair is doing. I do have an oil to moisturize it because on the box it does like, hold up, it does say that you should like moisturize their hair and stuff, comb it with your fingers, all of that, not use too much heat and stuff. But overall, for me, getting this hair for the first time, I like this brand. Some people say that the brand is horrible, or like they get bad hair, they get bad bundles sometimes, but I don't know if I just got a good batch of bundles or something, but I like this hair a lot. Some of the shedding may be due to me, like to my mom cutting it, because she did have to cut it towards the top just to end it off. But I don't really have any negative things to say about the hair. Like, I really like it. Let me stop combing my fingers through it though. I think the only hard part would be trying to keep my hair blended with it because my hair be acting crazy sometimes. But overall, I like the hair, so I'm going to leave the hair like details and stuff in the description box. You can click the link. I'll also leave the same exact link to the hair that I got because this is Brazilian straight. So if you guys want to know about my lashes, I got these lashes for $2, y'all. Like, it was a pack of 5. I got these for $2 off of Aliexpress. I'm telling y'all, that app is the GOAT. They did take a month to come, but I would recommend ordering them in like bulk. So I'm going to leave my eyelash details down below too. Oh, see, getting a little tangled right there. We just gonna untangle that, whatever. But if you guys need like affordable bundles, or like you're on a budget and you want some really good bundles, I would recommend getting it from Unice. Like, I got it from Aliexpress. I know they have their own separate Unice website and they have their own Amazon Unice store, but I would get it off the Aliexpress store. That's just where I've got it from, and that's where I see all of the positive reviews. You can also choose if you want to get it shipped from China or the United States, but if you live in the United States, of course, you should just get it shipped from the United States because it'll come quicker and it costs less than getting it shipped from China. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and I will definitely answer them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!